Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing these Chanel sneakers from winkick.ru. They reached out to me on Instagram, and they are an online website that specializes in sneakers, like high quality reps. They had all kind of different designers on there, but I went with some Chanel sneakers because they were super cute and I just needed them in my wardrobe. Like really right now, very popular is like the shiny reflective looking shoes. So I was like, okay, I need a pair. So it does come with your box, as you can see, and then it has like all the little packaging inside of here. I already took a look at these and they're really nice. You even have the like box bow if you wanted to wrap it up, and even the Chanel flower to put on the box if you wanted to, especially if you want to put it in your closet for decor. And these shoes do come with a dust bag, so I love that, especially if you're traveling. And then these shoes, I did get them in a size 38. So here's the shoe, and they are so cute. And I wanted a really neutral shoe so that I could wear these with a lot of different outfits. So it's just silver, white, and black basically, and they're so cute. I love how it has kind of like that quilted look in the back, and then it says Chanel here, it says Chanel on the side. You got your CC. And I love that the silver isn't like overpowering on this shoe. I feel like sometimes like with the shoes like the Bottega Orbits, there's like very like a flashy metallic silver, but these is just enough. It also has the CC in the very front where you tie your shoe, and then it says Chanel on the actual tongue of it, and then the inside of the shoe does say Chanel as well, and then there's even a little CC right here. So the actual quality of the shoe is really nice. It doesn't feel flimsy or anything. It's a very sturdy shoe, really cute, and I feel like it's perfect to wear with a lot of different outfits. So I cannot wait to wear these. And then also I'll go ahead and just show you guys the other shoe for reference. They literally look identical, so when you get your shoe it will have like the stuffing in here, and you just take that out, and then you would have to like just lace them how you want them. So yeah, really cute, really cute. So I will have them linked in the description box for you guys. I will also provide a discount code so y'all can save some money off of your purchase. But oh, and it even has a little CC right here. Really cute. So it has a lot of details and it's really nice and spot on. So like I said, I'll have them linked for you guys, plus a discount code so you can save some money off of your purchase. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it.